Memory improvement. Small changes occur in the cells of the nervous system as a result of every sensation or thought we experience. These changes are limitless because of the millions of interconnecting nerve cells, and they apparently cause numerous cells to form patterns of sensitivity. Our awareness of any certain change in these cells is received by us in the form of a thought. When something causes that pattern of cells to be stimulated again, we are conscious of the same thought again. For instance, if we see a dog bite a man, this experience sensitizes a certain group of cells. The sight of a dog at a later time might either reproduce our awareness of this complete cell pattern, the thought of the dog biting the man, or it might merely reproduce the awareness of having seen a dog before. The conditions that prevail at the time of the first exposure of the pattern of cells, that is, the first sight and impression of the event, exert a great influence upon the nature and probability of recall, as do the same time periods between subsequent exposures. The number of associated stimuli necessary to reproduce the whole impression seems to vary proportionately to the intensity of the original response, which is governed by the conditions under which it was originally formed. I'm sure you have all heard the saying, first impressions make the lasting impression. One of these conditions is what psychologists call mental set, that is, desire to learn. Mental set at the time of the learning increases the probability of recall in the future. Things can be remembered, however, without desire or set, an impression is intensified. That is, the cells are made more susceptible and probability of recall is increased by attention. When the mind is centered upon only one thing or one idea and all distractions are cut off, the impression is more apt to be recalled the next time, even a partial stimulus. This intensification of a response to a stimulus also occurs when considerable emotion, such as anger or fear, accompanies the original stimulus, the original event. In hypnosis, the mental set is intensified, the attention is increased, and distractions are eliminated